Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Let me introduce myself first. My name is Fhazel Kesra Arivi with register number 2024 32043. And now I will explain to you my last action exam in lecture database concept. And now I make a database here and some table in there. So I will explain what is my step by step to make this database. So the first thing that we need to do, of course, starting the sub-PP control panel, which is the Apache and MySQL. So make sure this is start, and then we press start in MySQL. Now make sure the both of this is green, so it's signal that is on, it's in on mode. And then uh, we access the localhost with this URL. So we click this, um, and then after we access the localhost, or just type in like this, or you can also click here, the admin, and then we'll go to localhost admin. After the localhost is opening, we go to the databases menu and create the database here. And in this case, I make the database name is perpustakaan. So like I did before, it already here, and then yes, you can push the create button. So that's how to make a database. Wait a minute. After that, uh, after we make a database, make sure you already go to the database that you have made, and in this you can make a new table with uh, the menu here, like create new table. You can name the table whatever you want. So I already made the anggota table, and the column is have 6 columns. And you can also make uh or just query language in the console. So like create a name of table. So create anggota and like this. So with the syntax like create table, what is the name of the table, and open parentheses, and you need to uh, describe what is the column or field and what is the data type. So the first thing is create table. Wait, I think this it's uppercase about that, but parentheses, table like anggota ID, what is the data type. In my table, I use the integer data type and auto increment, which means after automatically increment by one the ID. So it starts with 0. After I met some data, it auto increment or plus 1 every I make data. So if I make some data or insert some data, it start from 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 automatically. So primary key, it's indicate that this field or this attribute is a primary key of the anggota table. So next is nama. uh, Nama, which is this varchar, and I give the length is 100. So after that is alamat, email, nomor telepon, email, just unique here is the statement that the email must be different from others. And then telephone number, and then number letter. So this is the syntax. So if I console answer or execute the query, it will make a table that name is anota that has six field or six attribute. Uh, in case I has made the anchor table, I can make it because it's already made. Okay, like others. So the other tables like buku, itu peminjaman, kategori, peminjaman, penerbit, petugas ulasan. I make with the query with the same syntax with the different attribute with the also with the different primary key in each table. After I make a table by imputing or impute the data. So with the syntax insert into what what the table I need to impute what the attribute. So like peminjaman ID and anggota ID. Oh, no. Anggota ID is compound increment, so it needs just starting to nama, alamat, nomor telepon, and then tanggal daftar. What is the values and you can enter the parentheses and what is the data we want to input. So in this case, I will add like my name, my own name, like Fhazel Kesra, and comma my address or alamat. So um, don't forget the quotation, my phone number, and then tanggal daftar. I forgot about this. But if you want to make uh, more than one data, you can add comma and repeat the syntax. So like maybe other name, the people, and their address. This yes, same syntax. So if I want to only one data, I just add this. So when I execute this query, it will as in adding in the anggota table the table and add the data I have input here. So it will save my data like others. So in Petugas table, in category table, in penerbit table, I already made the data and already input or insert the data. So with the same syntax, I repeat that. And yeah, uh, don't forget to um, don't forget to fill the attribute or field properly. So there is my database. So this is database about some library database or database system. And that's all for me. Thanks for your watching or attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.